I just want to share with you something really surprising, really shocking. Okay, so guys, today I'm attending a seminar. There are tons of people studying. Like, it's exam season. Now, I don't attend seminars a lot nowadays because, like, I know this is an awkward place to vlog, like rubbish dump. I don't attend seminars nowadays because there will be strangers coming up to me and then be like, "Hi Karen," and then they end up talking to me, listening to me, asking me for advice rather than listening to the speaker. I'm like, you're here to listen to the speaker, to learn from the speaker. Make the most of your opportunity. You're not here to learn from me, so that's one way to prevent myself from getting recognized. Even though the previous time it failed, it's not big enough. What's not big enough? This one. Now we are talking. Alright, now we are talking. And hopefully I can share with you the lessons that I've learned, my notes, so stay tuned for it. And that's just one speaker. He just gives me the vibe like a big brother, and his name is Peng Jun. I don't really know him. He started young as a speaker, and right now he's doing such big things and influencing so much people. Has more haters than me, but also more fans than me, so he's rocking it. Right, and he's a real hustler, and I'm really inspired by him. So,
what is step number two? Step number two is 4 different pages. Now, because we have a sales process for this book, investors, you are having a sales process. That page number 1 is looking to sell your whole class, right? And this whole explanation.
More empowered now from what you got from Peng Jun and Grant Cardone. Feels good. Are you guys?
Your goals and dreams don't have to be logical, but expression is magical. Now, good people are not always attracted by money to fight for you. I want every one of you to raise up your right hand. Everybody raise your right hand.
our mission failed really badly. There are still people who recognize me. Guess this is useless. Give me an idea how to not get recognized, because you come here to listen to the speaker. So if you come here and then all you do is talk to me and you forgot to listen to the speaker, then it's like it's a waste of your time. So after my talk, I'll share with you the learning points tonight. So stay tuned for it. Okay, 30 minutes before the speech, I have dinner now first. Your person recognized me just now, pointing at the stage, and then he's like, "Why aren't you a speaker in Success Resources?" I'm like, how do I know? If they don't want me to speak, then because Karen Fu is a nobody. That's why I have some work to do. Done the speech. Lost my voice because I forgot to buy honey today. This is one major sacrifice, because to do this seminar, I need to leave just 2 hours before Garyvee talks. I'm like, no. Last year he came, I missed him because I was busy. This year, I'm like, if he speak at 5 p.m, I can catch him. But it didn't happen. Okay, before I share with you the 3 learning points that I've gotten from this conference, I just want to share with you something really surprising, really shocking. I'm not trying to bash anyone. I'm not going to mention their names. There was actually one speaker, he is like bashing his competitors for 2 straight minutes. Because you know what, he's like, all the other trainers in Singapore who teach trading is teaching bullshit. You are willing to say this in front of 3,000 people. I just want to say something. Don't listen to what I say. See how many people I've helped for free. I just received a message 10 minutes ago in my Instagram inbox. He or she went from generating negative ROI to generating consistent profits just from watching my free YouTube videos. That's it. And all I replied is, congrats, my work is done. Do I upsell my shit? Nope. I'm like, you just keep on watching my videos, dude. Because the thing is, I understand in Singapore it's a very competitive society, but in order to win in your game, it's not about trying to destroy others so that you can win. You know what I'm saying? If I feel that they suck shit at what they do, I just hope that my work is going to inspire them. If they are better than me, I don't try to pull them down. If they are better than me, I get inspired by them. Okay, so what are the 3 favorite learning points that I've gotten from this conference? The first one is you need to be willing to set unrealistic goals. In other words, if you are going to be thinking, you gotta think big. Go big or go home. Because it's only crazy people in this world that's going to achieve crazy results. So if people say that you're crazy, you're on the right track. If no people are laughing at your dreams, you're aiming too small. A good mentor is somebody who is going to tell you what you need to hear, not what you don't want to hear. A lot of people say that I'm too straightforward, I'm too direct, I'm too like in your face. Some people say I'm arrogant, mean, but what do you want me to do? Tell you the nice things? Oh, it's very easy to become a millionaire. Like, if you like that kind of message, just go and follow the people who show you the Lamborghini lifestyle. Go and follow people who show you the get rich quick. I'm not here to impress you. I'm here to impress myself. That's all. I only say what I believe in. If you don't like me swearing once in a while, also don't go and watch Garyvee, don't go and watch Stanlock, don't go and attend Tony Robbins events, because there's just way too much swearing. Oh my god. Because there are people who will be like, Karen, you just lose my respect because you just said the F word. I'm like, bye. You need to be able to eventually quit your freaking job. As much as you love your job, you're hustling every day to make other people rich. If you don't plan your life, somebody else would have a plan for you. If you love accounting, for example, there are many ways that you can serve others with your accounting work. A lot of people think that, okay, to pursue my passion as an accountant, I need to work for somebody as an accountant. Why can't you start an accounting firm? Working for yourself, making yourself rich? Why can't you teach secondary school kids how to study accounting, how to ace the accounting exam? There are tons of things that you can do. I'm just giving you some examples. Why can't you write an accounting book, generate income from there? Like, you gotta freaking quit that job eventually. The earlier you start building a life, the better it is. Like, you gotta freaking do something in your life. Stop going to seminar after seminar after seminar. You gotta start taking action. The best way to learn something is not attending seminar after seminar, conference after conference. It's got to stop. You gotta stop attending business seminars and just go out there, start business. If you fail, it's okay, at least you tried. And the whole event was also inspiring for me because I see all these big time speakers, I'm like, it inspires me to work hard. Anyway guys, share with me down in the comment section below which is your favorite lesson, learning point, and I'll talk to you in the next vlog. Good night.